Yo, what's up, YouTube? Hey, it's your boy SEMO-MAC. I got me another review here, and this thing is actually going to be really cool. I have gotten knives from this company before. It's from YOUSUNLONG. Y'all have seen those. They do beautiful Damascus. You know, I've had a pocket knife that had Damascus. I had all kinds of ones that are in the copper, pocket knife Damascus. You know, they've sent me out two. They sent me out another one that I haven't done a review on. They just sent it to me just because. But this one right here, and I'm going to loop in the other one towards the end. And y'all need to stick with me to the end on this because y'all going to see my knife skills with this bad boy. I'm going to be cutting some cucumbers. So, yeah, if this tells you how long this bad boy is. So, no, this is not your camping knife. And no, it's not a pocket knife or a bushcraft's knife. Y'all, this is actually a kitchen knife. But you know what? I don't care because as beautiful as this thing is and the quality that YOUSUNLONG makes of their knives and how they come, y'all, come on. I mean, seriously, this is, I don't care if it's a hunting knife. I don't care if it's a kitchen knife. It's a knife and I love them. And YOUSUNLONG knocks it out of the park every time. So this knife, before I crack it open here, because I want y'all to see this, this is how these knives come. The box that they come in, the holder, is almost as exquisite as the damn knife. It's crazy. But that is their logo, their YOUSUNLONG logo. This knife, and I'm sorry y'all, I'm gonna have to cheat because the name of this knife is a Kiritsuke. I'm gonna put it right up here, the spelling of it, because I'm sorry, I am a Southern hick and I apologize if I butchered that, but that's what it is. It is a kitchen knife, and when I get this thing open, y'all, this is the sheath that it comes with it. Look at this. Look at the leather. The stitching of that. I mean, it's beautiful. And here is the star of the show. And no, that's not rust. That is a copper Damascus. And as you can see, the nice little logo right there. So this is it. And like I said, this thing is phenomenal. So y'all can actually see this. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So the box that it comes in, you got a foam inlay in it. But we are going to get down to this. And yeah, I've got some notes on this one because look at this. I can almost hold this with two freaking hands. It's like, ha! You know, it's freaking awesome. This right here is made out of 67 layers of Damascus steel. Not only is it just regular high carbon steel, you do have the copper inlay in it. And if I'm not thinking, I think you got cobalt is the actual metal in it. I'm trying to scan right quick. So yes, it does have a combined cobalt metal with the copper inlay in this. So as y'all can see that, look at this. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing's sharp as all get out. I was sitting here flaring hair off of my arm, and it is just as smooth as it can be right now. Before I actually started this video, because I just cannot believe it. So this right here is an 8-inch, pretty much a chef's knife is what it is. I'm just the beauty of it, y'all. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm ecstatic that YOUSUNLONG actually sent this out to me. I just am. But yeah, this thing is a chef's knife. You got your copper inlay in it. 67 layers of Damascus steel. The wood of it, the handle, look at that. That's just crazy. And not only is this copper, this is red copper, but it's also brass. I just saw that. It's also brass. So you have carbon steel, cobalt, copper, red copper, and brass all in here. So, and that makes for one beautiful knife. Like I said, the handle is a natural, I think that's burnt wood. It's got a unique grain on there, and it is, as y'all can see that. The handle on that is beautiful. They do also have their YOUSUNLONG, their logo right here on the end of it. This thing is extremely light. I cannot get over when I picked it up. I'm like, is it real? Is it a toy? Because it is so flipping light, y'all. It's crazy. The ergonomics on this, I mean, the handle is so comfortable, and it's one of those that is big enough that if you're slicing, you know, you can come down this way with it. If you're chopping, you can actually choke up on here and actually, you know, get where you can chop from the back like that. Really great. And when I do this, y'all, I'm gonna actually move y'all forward, shut that down so y'all can see this, see my sucky kitchen skills with these knives. But yeah, this is beautiful. I think it's amazing. And like I said, it comes with this sheath with it. I mean, you cannot, the leather craftsmanship of this is crazy. It is so beautiful. So yeah, this is, I mean, y'all, whew, man. But this thing you can use for cutting, you know, chopping vegetables, slicing meat. It is your all-around chef's knife. You know, and YOUSUNLONG's been doing this stuff for over 20 years. You know, they hand forge all of their knives. They make them from scratch. They always have really cool, unique patterns on there. But hey, let's get to chopping. So let me get y'all set up here. Let me get y'all moved down just a hair. See if I can get y'all down. All right. So, cucumber, right? I want y'all to see how sharp this is. Y'all see that? I mean, this thing is beyond, and honestly, I probably, yeah, I can shave. So yeah, I can shave like I don't know what on here. And can we dice? I'm gonna say yeah, we definitely can dice with this bad boy. Move all that over here. I like choking up on mine. That's just the way it is. I can't get it to really go like I want to because it's so sharp, it's sticking in my board. But yeah, I mean, y'all, you make great pickles out of that. So, but yes, this is definitely a slicer, as you can see there. I'm gonna get that out, clean this off. One thing you do want to do with these knives, since they are high carbon steel, you definitely want to make sure that you actually clean these. So when you actually wash them, that you dry them off so they do not rust, okay? Because like I said, this is high carbon steel, so it's going to. But this is the YOUSUNLONG, the 8-inch chef's knife that they sent me. And I'm not going to butcher that name again. So, y'all, these are awesome. If you want something like this, I highly recommend y'all check these out. I'll drop a link down in my description. And they've got several, you know, that they have. They have this line here. They've got all kinds. They've got hammer forged. They got all kinds of them. And y'all, YOUSUNLONG has been really great working with me. I love working with them. So that's this one, all right? So price-wise on this, keep in mind what all you have in this knife, all right? So you got high carbon steel, cobalt, red copper, and brass that make up this entire beautiful knife. So this one is probably one of their highest knives that they have. It is just shy of $250. It's $249.92 is what the price is going right now on Amazon. I'll drop a link down in my description. Just click on it. It'll take you straight to it. Or you can go to my store, which is also in the description, and you can see everything else they got. I also have these in the other YOUSUNLONG knives are also in there as well. But yeah, check these out. So as I said at the beginning, they make all kinds. So this was one that they actually sent to me that unfortunately they do not make no more. And here is the letter of the certificate of authenticity, and you also get one in this one too. They do that with all of them. So you get this awesome sheath. This is what was in this one. The craftsmanship on it is amazing. It is really good. The leather on it is high quality. But this was their hunting knife they sent to me just because, like I said, I've worked with them and they've sent me all kinds. They actually sent this one to me. Unfortunately, y'all, they do not make this knife no more, okay? But the reason why I'm showing you this is just to let you know how good this company is on making knives. This is their hunting knife. Look at the blade. So yes, that is Damascus. But one good thing about this blade, I'm trying to get that light right there. That light hit it right there. You can actually feel the grooves in this. Okay, this ain't like a mirror smooth. This thing right here is grooved big time. You know, here is your handle on here. This thing is awesome, y'all. You know, this has, the hardness on this is like 60 on the Rockwell scale for hardness. The overall length of this is like 8 3/4 inch. The blade's like, it's like a 4-inch blade on there, but the handling of this is awesome. I mean, it is so, this is my hunting knife. I ain't gonna lie. This year when I saw this, it's got the ebony wood on there. This is gonna be my hunting knife. And I got some, where do I have all my stuff at? You know, cardboard, no problem. I've got some rope around here. I know I do. So let's see. Rope, camping rope, right? I'm not even putting any pressure. Come on. This right here, y'all. And like I said, unfortunately, they do not make this knife no more. I wish they did, because it is amazing. But I'm showing you this because, and it's like I said, it's all one piece. So you see a full tang. I'm just showing you this because I want you to understand the quality of knives that YOUSUNLONG makes. They're amazing. I am so glad that I have, you know, actually discovered them, and it's just, they're awesome. I really, really like them. So like I said, they've been great to me. Working with them is also good, and I'm gonna eat some more cucumbers while I'm talking to you. So, but hey y'all, that's my review. She's a beauty, and you know she is. So here it is. Get you one good last look. Oh, look at that right there. That right there is the money shot. Right there it is. So, that right there, y'all. Hey, I hope you are being kind out there in the world, and I hope you're having a great day. This is your boy SEMO-MAC, bringing you another review. And I am out. Peace.